Welcome to Gangnam SDA's cooking tutorial. Today we're going to explore the world of cooking verbs. Isn't that right?
That's right. Even though our conversational English is improving, sometimes even the best of us get lost when we are trying to explain our favorite recipes.
That's why today we're going to practice some essential cooking phrases while making some delicious pajeon, or Korean green onion pancakes.
To do this, we are asking for the help of our Gangnam students to introduce today's expressions.
There are so many ways to cut up food, but we always just say cut. What are the different ways to cut things?
Well, there's slice and dice and chop.
And don't forget about grate.
What's the difference between slice and dice?
Slice means that you are going to cut something into long strips. Dice means that you will cut into little cubes.
I think I've got it. Let me try slicing these red peppers into rounds. This will add a bit of color to our jam.
You've got it. Why don't you deal with the green onions?
Sure, do you want them to chop finely or chopped roughly?
Chop them roughly. You don't want them made too small. And how about adding some mushroom just for some extra texture? I'll slice those up. You can even grate zucchini, carrots, or other ingredients to make the pancake to your liking.
Here you go.
Now that the cutting is out of the way, we'll move on to the batter. Let's see who else is in the kitchen.
I'm making the batter with the help of 부침가.
Can I help?
Sure, I could use another set of hands.
Is it complicated?
No, it isn't. But we need to whisk it thoroughly to make sure that we get rid of all the lumps of flour.
What else are going to add the flour?
I'll add half a cup of water, sprinkle a dash of salt, and crack an egg into a batter. Now keep whisking.
Now to the last step where it all comes together.
Thank you. I've added the vegetable to the batches and folded them together gently. Now I'll pour about half a cup of batches and into a heated and oiled pan. Okay. Yeah.
How long should it cook?
It depends on how thick it is, but about 2 or 3 minutes or until it's golden brown and slightly crispy. Then it's time to flip it over. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yes! It looks easy, but it takes a lot of skill. Then cook it on the other side.
Once it's done, serve it with a dipping sauce made of soy sauce, vinegar, water, minced garlic, and red and green peppers. It'll make your rainy day an enjoyable one.
Thanks for joining us for this cooking lesson. Check back at Gangnam SDA for more adventures in learning.